In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert charts in a Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so go ahead and open a blank new Word document, or you can use your existing chart that already has text. Then head to Insert once you have clicked on the location you want your chart to be inserted, and then click on Chart. Now, if you click Chart, you can see we have an option to insert charts here. We have, for instance, the column charts. We have quite a number of them. You can choose from any of these. You also have the line charts. If you click on them, you should be able to see how they'll appear. If you wish to insert a pie chart, it will also be inserted, and you can choose the type of a pie chart that you wish to insert. And we have so many others. For my case, I wish to add or choose a column chart. Then for the type, I'll choose the first type here. You can choose any of these depending on the data you want to enter, and then go ahead and click on OK. Then wait for your chart to be inserted, and Microsoft Word will go ahead and insert dummy data. You can directly edit this data to fit your need, and you can do it directly here. For instance, instead of category 1, you can change this to group 1, and you can also change the values under each as you wish. Now you can see the changes are in real time. You can also go ahead and now change the values by editing these values as you wish. So if I exit here, you can see the chart will have been inserted. So that's how you can create a chart in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.